Hi, everyone. I'm Ping. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make chicken onion stir fry. This dish is easy and quick to make, but it's so flavorful. We love chicken, that's a lot of protein. Also, we love onions, it's healthy, and when you fry, it releases a lot of aroma. This simple and classic stir-fry dish combines juicy tender chicken, onion, ginger with a savory sauce. Tastes so good. This quick and easy meal you can serve with rice or wrap with lettuce. I promise you, once you make it, your family will love it. So let's get started. Let's prepare chicken breast. Pat dry with a paper towel. Let the little fat trimmed off. Then cut into thin slices, about 1/8 inch thick. For chicken, you can use breast or chicken thigh. It's easier to cut it if partially frozen. Let's go to marinate the chicken. Soy sauce, white pepper, dark soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, cooking wine, baking soda, cornstarch. Give nice massage. Just well, the meat already absorbs all the seasonings. Then spray some oil. Prevent from sticking together. Next, prepare vegetables. 2 green onions. Cut the roots off. Then, cut into 2-inch sections. Separate the white and green parts because we will use them in different times during cooking. Mince some garlic. Slice ginger into thin slices. 1 large onion, cut into half. Then, cut into thin slices. Separate the layer with your finger. Because we will stir fry onion very briefly. Everything's ready? Let's go to cook. Heat up the pan. When pan hot enough, add oil over medium-high heat. Move around the pan. Once oil hot enough, add onions in. White part of green onions. We just fry 30 seconds. Let onions coat a little bit of oil. Add a pinch of salt, a little bit of sugar. Give it a few tosses. Transfer to the bowl. Smells so good. We don't need to wash the pan, just add a little oil. Shake around the pan. Add a few gingers. Sizzle about 10 to 15 seconds. Release aroma from ginger. Add chicken. Spread out the chicken on the bottom pan. Let the pan sear bottom. See? The bottom is crispy and brown. When bottom is getting brown, flip over. If some chicken stick it together, that's okay. Just use utensil, separate them. We only need chicken 80% done. Do not overcook. Otherwise, chicken will be very dry. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add garlic in. Sweet red wine. The wine creates a nice aroma, enhance the flavor of all ingredients. Don't worry, the wine evaporates quickly, leaving just good taste. Then Add oyster sauce, dark soy sauce. Stir-fry chicken until color looks even, then add water. The water will quickly boil and thicken up the sauce. Then, add onion, green onion leaves. Give it a nice quick toss. Finally, add a little bit garlic for a rich aroma. Toss quickly. Our dish is done. Look at these juicy, tender pieces of chicken, full of flavor. The onion cooked just right. It's crunchy. This dish is simple, full of flavor. It's a quick dinner meal. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give it a try. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If there's some recipe you are interested, please let me know, and I will post them. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.